Stop defending and start attacking. Attack is your best defense. And this is a lesson that Wing Chun teaches right from the get-go. When someone comes into your space, threatening you, attacking you with some kind of physical confrontation, your answer is to attack. Now, usually those attacks also include a defense, but it depends on the timing. We've got three main timings that we're going to use. If you can attack early enough, then all you need to do is hit, and then that defends them immediately. This is called Jitsao, right? The intercepting fist, or Jeet Kun, or Jitsao, the intercepting hand. And you come, right? Second is Silan Dai Dao, or simultaneous attack and defense. Now this is if you catch it a little later, like middle, as it's coming through. Okay, you catch that attack. So then you come up with a simultaneous defense and attack right there, and deliver it. Then we have a third timing, which is Kyun Bat Loi Fa, and basically that is reserving your attack until after. So this means evasion. Evading and then hitting, right? So you're countering a tiny bit after their attack. So either way, it's all driven upon our attack. It isn't driven upon a defensive mindset. Most martial arts approach situations from a defensive mindset. Wing Chun does not do that. It approaches everything from what I'm about to do. What I'm about to do, how am I going to attack you? So how can I attack? How can I attack? Whereas others just simply don't. So those that might know other martial arts, so you can look at it and think of the mindset of, okay, they're thinking of blocking, doing this, then prior to doing that, right? Wing Chun is different. It is all about the attack. So what I like to teach my students is, and I really believe all good Wing Chun teaches this as well. They're attacking you and you attack, right? Upon those three timings.